Welcome to Srinagar, a city of enchanting beauty and rich cultural heritage. In this video, we will take you on a tour to some of the most important tourist destinations, religious places, lakes, gardens, eateries and shopping places in and around Srinagar. Betab Valley, situated just 15 kilometers from Pahalgam in the Anantnag district, Betab Valley is a picturesque paradise with lush green meadows, snow-clad mountains and dense vegetation. Sonamarg, also known as the Meadow of Gold, located approximately 80 kilometers from Srinagar, renowned for its breathtaking landscape, alpine flowers and the majestic Thajiwas Glacier. It serves as a gateway on the ancient Silk Road connecting Kashmir with Tibet. Doodh Patri, situated in the Budgam district at an altitude of 2730 meters, Doodh Patri is known as the Valley of Milk. According to the legend, the famous Kashmiri poet and saint Sheikh ul Alam discovered a spring here and milk miraculously flowed from the ground. Gulmarg, a popular hill station located approximately 50 kilometers from Srinagar, known as the Meadow of Flowers. Gulmarg enchants visitors with its picturesque meadows, snow-covered peaks and thrilling adventure sports opportunities like skiing and trekking. The Gulmarg Gondola, one of the highest cable cars in the world, offers a breathtaking journey to the nearby Aparvat peak. Pahalgam, a charming hill town nestled amidst lush green meadows, pine forests and a soothing little river located around 95 kilometers from Srinagar, Pahalgam serves as the base camp for the annual Amarnath pilgrimage. Lakes. In this segment, we will explore some of the prominent lakes that adorn this picturesque region. Dal Lake, the crown jewel of Kashmir, spread over an area of approximately 18 square kilometers, this iconic lake is renowned for its unparalleled beauty and serenity. Surrounded by majestic mountains and verdant greenery, Dal Lake enchants visitors with its pristine blue water, adorned with floating gardens and blooming lotus flowers. Nigin Lake, often referred as the jewel in the ring, surrounded by picturesque hills and lush vegetation, Nigin Lake invites visitors to immerse themselves in the crystal clear waters. Manasbal Lake, located in the Gandarbal district, this enchanting lake is known as the birdwatcher's paradise for its rich avian population. Nestled amidst verdant greenery, Manasbal Lake provides a serene haven for nature enthusiasts and bird lovers alike. Bular Lake, India's largest freshwater lake situated in the Bandipora district, encircled by snow-capped mountains and verdant meadows, Bular Lake presents a picturesque panorama that captivates the senses. Mughal gardens in Srinagar are a testament to the grandeur and architectural excellence of the Mughal era. These gardens were originally designed by the Mughal emperors and are known for their symmetrical layout, intricate terrace gardens, flowing fountains and serene water channels. Nishad Bagh, the Garden of Bliss, designed by Asif Khan in the 16th century, this terraced garden beckons visitors with its cascading fountains, intricate water channels, and breathtaking views of the Dal Lake. Shalimar Bagh, the abode of love, built by Emperor Jahangir for Empress Noor Jahan, this garden is a testament to their eternal love story. Marvel at the symmetrical layout, ornamental fountains, and impressive pavilions that adorn the garden. Chashme Shahi, the Royal Spring Garden. Nestled on the foothills of Zabarwan Range, this picturesque garden offers respite to the weary souls. Chashme Shahi is a heaven of tranquility, inviting you to rejuvenate your spirit amidst nature's embrace. The harmony between the man and nature captured in the architectural marvels and breathtaking landscapes. These gardens are a testament to the rich cultural heritage of the Mughal era and a sanctuary where one can find solace in the lap of nature. Religious places. In this segment, we will explore some of the prominent religious places in and around Srinagar. Shankaracharya Temple. Perched on the Shankaracharya hill, this ancient temple dedicated to Lord Shiva is one of the oldest shrines in this region. From its vantage point, the temple offers breathtaking panoramic views of Srinagar city and surrounding mountains. Kheer Bhavani Temple, located 25 kilometers from Srinagar in Ganderbal district, the Hindu temple is dedicated to the goddess Kheer Bhavani and is constructed over a sacred spring. The temple gets its name from the offering of kheer, a milk and rice pudding. Hazrat Bal Shrine, a revered Islamic shrine situated on the banks of Dal Lake. This shrine holds immense importance in the Muslim community as it houses a sacred relic believed to be a strand of the Prophet Muhammad's hair. The Hazrat Bal Shrine, also known as Dargah Sharif, is considered Kashmir's holiest Muslim shrine. Chhadi Patshahi Gurudwara, an important religious center for Sikhs in Srinagar, situated outside the southern gate of Hari Parvat Fort, this Gurudwara holds historical significance. According to the legend, it is associated with Guru Har Gobind, the sixth Sikh Guru, and his devoted followers, Mai Bhagbari. Hari Parvat, also known as Kohe Maran, situated on the western side of the Dal Lake. The Mughal structure was built in the 18th century by Afghan governor Atta Muhammad Khan. Arts and handicraft. Srinagar is known for its breathtaking beauty and cultural heritage. Srinagar is also a hub of exquisite art and handicrafts. Srinagar is renowned for its exquisite pashmina shawls made from the fine wool of pashmina goat. These shawls are a perfect blend of warmth, softness, and intricate designs. Skilled artisans hand weave and embroider these shawls with beautiful patterns that reflect the rich cultural heritage of Srinagar. Kashmir is famous for its hand-knotted carpets, crafted using traditional techniques passed down through generations. These carpets showcase intricate designs and vibrant colors, transforming any space into a work of art. Let's explore the paper mache art. Skilled craftsmen in Srinagar create stunning objects like boxes, vases, and decorative items using paper mache technique. Layering paper pulp over molds and then painting them with intricate designs in gold and bright colors, these pieces exemplify the intricate artistry of Srinagar. Wood carving. Srinagar is home to talented woodcarvers who skillfully create intricate designs on various wooden objects. Using walnut wood, they produce exquisite furniture, jewelry boxes, screens, and other decorative items that showcase the beauty of traditional Kashmiri craftsmanship. Another renowned craft of Srinagar is copperware. Artisans here use traditional copper beating technique to create stunning utensils, samovars, trays, and decorative pieces. These objects, known as Kashmiri copper, feature intricate engravings, and motifs, adding a touch of elegance to any space. Moving to the realm of jewelry, Srinagar is known for its exquisite silver craftsmanship. Skilled artisans create intricate designs using silver, incorporating gemstones like turquoise, lapis lazuli, and coral. Last but not the least, we discover namdas and chain stitch embroideries. Namdas are felted rugs made from the wool, and in Srinagar, there is beautifully embroidered namdas with vibrant colored threadworks using the chain stitch techniques, eateries, cafes, and restaurants. The city's vibrant restaurant scenes, where flavors from Kashmiris and international cuisines come together to create a gastronomic extravaganza. Most of the famous eating joints in Srinagar are Adus, Mughal Darbar, Chaizai, Ladlees, and Liberty Cafe. From the traditional flavors of Kashmir to international culinary delights, Srinagar restaurants offer a diverse range of experience to tantalize your taste buds. Shopping. The city, renowned for its rich heritage and vibrant markets, some of the best shops in town where you can find exquisite products that reflect the cultural richness of Kashmir are M. Shah Leather, a renowned shop specializing in high quality leather products from jackets, bags to wallets, belts, and shoes. M. Shah Leather offers a wide range of durable and stylish accessories. Shazi Emporium offers a wide range of traditional Kashmiri handicrafts, including intricately woven carpets, pashmina shawls, embroidered garments, wooden handcrafts, and paper mache products. City Walk Mall is a modern shopping destination in Srinagar and houses a variety of national and international brands. From clothing and footwear to electronics and household goods, you will find everything you need under one roof. Floating Vegetable and Flower Market, located on Dal Lake, is one of a kind market, allows you to immerse yourself into a truly unique shopping experience. Polo View Market, located near the famous Polo Ground, is a bustling shopping area in Srinagar. Here you will find a mix of shops offering traditional Kashmiri handicrafts, clothing, jewelry, and souvenirs. The market is known for its authentic Kashmiri spices and dry fruits as well. So come and explore these vibrant markets and immerse yourself in the cultural richness of Kashmir.